To transfer crypto from Coinbase to Uniswap, start by logging into your Coinbase account and navigating to the dashboard. From here, click on the Send, Receive button next to the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to send and select the cryptocurrency from the drop-down menu. You will then need to enter the recipient address, which in this case will be your MetaMask wallet address that you will use to interact with Uniswap. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet, you can download the extension from the Chrome Web Store and follow the prompts to set it up. Once you have your MetaMask wallet address, copy and paste it into the recipient address field on Coinbase. Double-check that the address is correct, as sending crypto to the wrong address can result in loss of funds. Once you have confirmed the address, click Send and wait for the transaction to be processed. This can take a few minutes depending on the network congestion. Once the transaction is confirmed, you can navigate to the Uniswap website and connect your MetaMask wallet by clicking on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. From here, you can select the cryptocurrency you just transferred and use it to trade or provide liquidity on the Uniswap platform. Always make sure to double-check the addresses and transaction details before sending crypto. And never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. By following these steps, you can safely and securely transfer crypto from Coinbase to Uniswap and start using the platform to trade and provide liquidity. It is also important to note that you should only use reputable and well-established platforms like Coinbase and Uniswap to minimize the risk of loss or theft of your crypto assets. Additionally, always keep your computer and browser up to date with the latest security patches and use strong passwords and two-factor authentication to protect your accounts.